Good morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are lower. In the soybeans, we were down at some point 19 to 20 cents. We're down about 16 cents. In corn, we're down about 3 to 5 cents, and in wheat, we're down a couple of cents. I think overnight in the beans, we're seeing a little bit of wave of profit taking. Yesterday, when the nearby soybean contract hit $15, we did see a pickup in some U.S. farmers selling. There's also talk that the flurry of Chinese buying we've seen over the last 2 weeks may slow down because some of their crush margins are beginning to relax a little bit with lower soybean meal prices, but more importantly, they just have a lot of beans heading towards China. From a weather standpoint, South America, Argentina is getting a little too much rain again. Southern and central Brazil conditions look fine, and there's only a small section of northeast Brazil that's dry. So in general, the South American weather forecast is okay. In the corn and wheat, we just still don't have the export market and export demand to keep prices higher. So we're kind of leaking lower into the end of the year. From Midwest and Southern Plains U.S. weather outlook, we're actually going to see a change in weather patterns. We've got a couple of winter storms that will move across the Midwest, providing moisture for much of the Midwest and the U.S. river system. It also might help give a little moisture to the Southern Plains. The bad news about this type of forecast is that behind these fronts, there's going to be bitter cold moving across the Midwest. So we'll have to watch and see if that has any impact on the wheat crop. We're also seeing very cold and maybe even close to record low temperatures in parts of Russia and China. So we'll have to see, especially in Russia, if that has any impact on their winter wheat crops. Tomorrow, Informa will be out with new estimates of 2013 U.S. crop by acres by crop, and we are looking for more acres of corn and especially soybeans due to these higher prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a good and safe and profitable trading day.
See you.